We are going to see how to draw a circle. We are using canvas color, pen width. So these three variables, and just as usual a repeat loop. And extra thing which we are going to use here is center and DIR. DIR is to change the direction. Ask everything we have seen in the previous video. So I will run it and then explain it. So what we are doing is, first I am changing the canvas color and pen width. And then I am going to this position and repeating it. So if you see this, I will explain one by one. So here we are, it will ask for an input. You can say OK. So now I will explain. So repeat 12 times. So this will create the first circle, the yellow one. This color is yellow. Then I am changing it to the middle circle. Middle circle is the orange one which you are seeing. So for that I am moving to the position and then creating a smaller circle. And then again, to create the center circle, I am setting a different color. Go to the center, get the y axis, x axis, and just move x and y as required to go to the correct position. And then from there I am drawing a circle. And then I am changing the direction of the turtle so that we can print it in the straight line. So here I am going to 0, 30 and asking to provide a feedback. So that same feedback I am printing. In case they don't give any feedback, here you won't get anything. Now we will see both how it happens. I will keep it in the full speed. See, without giving feedback I am giving a cancel. Then it comes here. So now after explaining the code, now I will run it with the full speed. See, this is for the first circle, this is for the middle circle, and this is for the inner circle. You can see the beautiful lines. Since we have used more lines, we get the shape. Even you can like this. We get this feedback. This is the same color, so that's why it comes like this. If I want to change any of the color, you can keep here and go to the tools and change. That how to change we have seen in the other videos. You can check that. Thank you.